with both the East African Local Government Forum and the association, a partnership that has grown over the years to ensure that the primary EAC integration agenda of liberalizing the markets for the free movement of goods, services, and people becomes a reality at the grassroots where production occurs. The critical role of the devolved government in identifying developmental opportunities, devolving interventions that solve the challenges and catalyses the development cannot be overemphasized. In addition, the role of the national government in opening up markets for access to food, feeds, and industrial inputs, as well as the produce of the devolved units, remains critical. The theme of the conference in the context to Kenyan perspective, which you have dubbed as strengthening national local cooperation and coordination to deepen the devolution agenda in national and the East Africa regional integration agenda.
The workshop provided a valuable opportunity to reflect on the critical role local governments play in driving sustainable development and fostering good governance across our region. I therefore commend the organizers of the workshop, as it was a collective effort of county governments and local governments in the region through their umbrella associations in the true spirit of East African Brotherhood. During the last 3 days, we have had the opportunity to learn the various forms of decentralization and devolution in the region. Lessons from our newest members, Somalia and Democratic Republic of Congo, were particularly refreshing as they exhibited great commitment and resilience in rebuilding their local governance.
Aya no aikari a gĩcigo kĩa ũmbunge kĩa Idako